So you talked about partnering with all these universities and all these educators in all these other countries. What advances are you seeing on the material side? Are you seeing a lot of research into geopolymers and low carbon concrete?
Yeah, we pushed a lot for that. So today we have kind of three different types of material we are working on. So the major one is concrete. So it's high performance concrete, but also we have a lower performance concrete. So that's two concrete material we use. We go also from mortar to concrete. So mortar is one we use, but we do also concrete with something like 4 millimeter aggregate we use in our material to reduce a little bit the CO2 footprint. We also have developed plaster 3D printing with Saint-Gobain formula. So today we know how to 3D print plaster, and we have made some prototypes, and that's really interesting. And as I say, we place the right material at the right place, and you don't want to 3D print concrete to make something interior wall, which is like really high in CO2 and really high resistance, but plaster would be perfect for that. So that's what we have developed. We are making also clay 3D printing, which is close from geopolymer. And we are also making geopolymer 3D printing with one European project, which named Wool to Loop, where we take the wool from the insulation in the wall, they crush it, and we use it as a building material to make it like a circular economy, when you can reuse something which has been used for insulation to be crushed and used as a geopolymer.
Whoa. So like mineral wool or fiberglass or something, like that would have that was destined for a landfill, you'll crush that down and use that as aggregate?
We use it as a binder.
Oh, wow. That's innovative.
Yeah.
That's very cool.
So that's it's finished in October. So in October we will have a public release. It's been like 4 years research with a lot of partners all over the world, but you could check in internet the Wool to Loop project. And we managed to, so part of the project was to develop this material that just to cast. And part of the material is what we design is a head and a 3D printing head that enable to 3D print this material.